How to get followers from Eventbrite. Here are some ways to get followers for your event on Eventbrite. You can use Eventbrite's marketing tools to create email campaigns, add your event to social media, and advertise your event on Eventbrite's site and mobile apps. You can create a subscriber list by uploading your own contacts or adding attendees from previous events. You can include testimonials and reviews from past participants on your event landing page and in email campaigns. You can set up a text to join option so that people can join your mailing list by texting a specific keyword to a specific number. You can personalize your email campaigns by using the attendee's first name and attaching a folder of event photos. You can create and share promotional codes that give exclusive offers. You can target specific audiences based on interests or demographics. Thanks for watching.